outside. Oh, there's Leah. Entryway. It's a family room. Chris likes the fireplace. Hallway down to the first bedroom. Cabinets. Second bedroom. Little sconce in the hallway. Bathroom. And the master. Master walks out to the backyard with sliders. And here's the master bathroom with a closet. And bathroom. I'm gonna go back out to the kitchen. Sorry, I'm walking fast because I won't be able to see it inside it. And we got kitchen here, living room here, fireplace, dining, brand new kitchen, cabinets, all brand new. Walk through here to the washer dryer room, and then there is another bathroom, and there is a breezeway, and then to the two-car garage.